Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best curling wands that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Kai Volcanic Lava Ceramic Curl Shot 1 Curling Iron. This curling wand stands out among competitors for its unique shape. It's not just a vertical wand, the handle runs perpendicular to the barrel, allowing you to reach the back of your head with ease. The ceramic barrel provides even heat distribution, which prevents hot spots and hair damage. Plus, the barrel has a unique lava rock powder finish that, according to the brand, enhances its ionic technology, providing smoother, frizz-free curls. We are impressed by how quickly this wand heats up, which allows you to start styling quickly. The temperature is adjustable up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit, as shown on the digital display, so you can customize the heat based on your hair type and desired style. This wand also has Cool Shot technology that blasts your curls with cool air to reduce frizz and add shine. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Conair Infiniti Pro Curling Wand. Thanks to its tapered barrel, which starts at 1 inch in diameter and ends at ½ an inch in diameter, this curling wand adds volume to the top of your head and tighter curls towards the ends. This makes it ideal for those with short hair, though long-haired individuals can still use this curling wand. The tourmaline ceramic barrel helps reduce frizz and static for smooth, shiny curls. We love that the wand heats up quickly, reaching its maximum temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit in 30 seconds. For those looking to use less heat, there are 5 temperature settings to choose from, meaning this styling tool is suitable for a wide range of hair types and textures. While the cord is a little short, just 5 feet long, this curling wand comes with a 3-finger, heat-resistant glove, which helps protect your hand from the hot barrel. Though this wand doesn't have as many bells and whistles as some others on this list, it certainly gets the job done, at an affordable price point, too. At number 3, we have the GHD Creative Curl Tapered Curling Wand. If you want tousled, beachy waves, opt for a tapered wand like this one from GHD. The taper is subtle, decreasing by 1/10 of an inch from base to tip, but just enough to create beautiful, soft waves with plenty of volume. And since the wand has a ceramic barrel, those waves will be frizz-free and shiny. The Ultra Zone technology monitors heat distribution across the barrel and ensures it maintains a constant 365 degrees Fahrenheit for consistent styling with no hot spots. This low temperature causes less damage to your hair than scalding irons. Unfortunately, you can't adjust the temperature, and thick hair may require a hotter wand. We love that this wand has a cool tip, reducing the risk of burns. At number 2, we have the T3 Whirl Trio Interchangeable Styling Wand. This curling wand is designed for versatility, thanks to its trio of interchangeable barrels. It includes a 1-inch straight barrel, a 1.5-inch straight barrel, and a tapered barrel that starts at 1.25 inches and narrows to 0.75 inches, allowing you to switch between different types of curls. Each barrel is a ceramic blend that heats evenly and quickly, helping you create shiny and frizz-free curls in no time. For even more control, the curling wand has 5 precise heat settings, which reach a maximum of 410 degrees Fahrenheit, a temperature suitable for even thick hair. If you have thick and long hair, this curling wand has everything you need to create a range of styles, from loose waves to uniform spirals. That said, the barrels might not be the best for those with short hair. Plus, if you have limited storage, this curling wand allows you to have just 1 tool instead of 3. And finally, at number 1, we have the Drybar The Wrap Party Styling Wand. This Drybar styling wand features a reverse tapered barrel that is narrower at the base and wider at the tip to create beautiful, bouncy curls. The unique shape creates voluminous curls near your roots, and looser, beachier waves at the bottom. It's a great styling tool for beginners because it has a non-slip barrel. To use the wand, turn it upside down with the tip pointed down and wrap your hair around it from the base to the tip. If you want to level up, you can toy with the temperature settings. The device heats up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is plenty of heat for thick hair. The digital display shows the temperature so you know exactly how hot the curling wand is. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.